So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Rust, which is a very famous programming language nowadays in your computer. So firstly, let's move in our browser. Now go on the first link, that is Rust programming language from rust-lang.org. Now in the nav bar you will see an install button. Just go there and download this one. If you are using Windows 11 64-bit, then go with the middle option. If you are using 32-bit, then go with the first option. Since I'm using 64-bit, I will go with this version. Okay. Now after downloading, just click on it. This will open a command prompt. Here, this is asking for something like install the C++ build tools before proceeding. So we will need these before proceeding. So I will just type yes. Now this will ask for some installation options. So I will go with the first one, that is proceed with standard installation. Just hit 1 and enter. This will automatically start downloading your Rust. This will take some time. You can also just uninstall Rust by this command. Let me show you. Rust up and then self and then uninstall. This is the command from which you can uninstall this. For the time being, let's wait for its installation. So yeah, it is done. Now we will just have to enter any key. Now our first window is closed. Now we will open another window and check for Rust installation. Rust C hyphen hyphen and version. You can see that it is showing Rust 1.91.1. That means our Rust is successfully downloaded. If you want to uninstall, then you can just simply hit this command. So that's all for this video guys. Now let's see you next time.